Some first video aerials shot about an hour and a half ago after the wreck. Again, 46 students reportedly on that bus, the students visiting colleges up north. And the latest information that we have is that 9 people have been killed. We don't have identities of the dead right now, 33 injured. And CHP also reporting that a third vehicle, a Nissan Altima, was also involved. So we have a tour bus with apparently students from Southern California, a FedEx truck and a Nissan Altima involved in this fiery and deadly crash. Again, 9 people killed. We don't know if those occupants were all on the bus, the FedEx truck, or the other car involved.
Our top story on KCAL 9 News at 8 is breaking news. A fiery crash between a charter bus and a FedEx delivery truck in Northern California. And tonight, the California Highway Patrol says 9 people were killed, many more injured in the deadly accident. There's a report the bus was full of students from Southern California. Good evening. I'm Kent Shocking.
Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Susie Suss. CBS TV in Chico is reporting tonight the bus was full of students from Southern California. 9 are dead this evening. 33 are hurt. The students were reportedly visiting colleges in Northern California.
This deadly bus crash happened on Interstate 5 in Orland, California. That's about 100 miles north of Sacramento. And tonight, KCAL 9's Lena Nguyen is live in our newsroom with the very latest. Lena?
Well, Kent and Susie, we don't know exactly where in Southern California the bus was from, but we do know the accident was horrific. These are the first images that we've received from the scene. The first is a Twitter picture. The person who took it says it shows the bus burning right after the accident. The second picture we're going to show you is from a television station in Redding. Initial reports say a FedEx truck may have crossed the median and slammed head-on in